In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your author website with Squarespace. First, head to Squarespace and click Create Website. This opens the guided setup that gets your site framework in place fast, so you don't start from a blank page. You'll be asked what your site is about. Choose the option that best fits an author or writing portfolio. Don't overthink it. This choice helps Squarespace suggest layouts and sections tailored to your needs, and you can always adjust later. Click. Next to continue. Now select what you want to do with your website. Think about your main goals as an author: showcasing books, starting a blog, collecting email subscribers, announcing events, or even selling signed copies. Pick the options that match your current priorities. If you're unsure, choose the most essential goals and refine them once you see the draft. Click. Next again, then choose the AI Website Builder. This tool assembles a starter site using your inputs, saving you time on structure and style. When prompted, enter your site title. Keep it short, clear, and memorable. Something like your pen name, series name, or imprint. You can change this later in settings, so don't let it slow you down. You'll now select a brand personality. This influences colors, spacing, and overall vibe. Consider your genre and audience: literary and refined, bold and contemporary, warm and approachable. Pick the tone that best represents your work. This doesn't lock you in. It's a design starting point. Click Next. You'll be asked which pages to add. For most authors, a strong foundation includes a home page, an about page, a books or publications page, a blog or news page, and a contact page. If relevant, consider events or a newsletter sign up. Choose what you need today. You can add or hide pages anytime in the editor. Click Next and choose a color palette. Aim for strong contrast for readability and align the palette with your genre. For example, darker neutrals can feel moody and literary, while softer tones can feel welcoming and personal. Accessibility matters, so avoid very light text on light backgrounds. Click. Next, then choose a font pairing. Prioritize legibility. A clean, modern sans serif for body text with a distinctive serif or display font for headings often works well. Preview how titles and paragraphs look together. Finally, click Finish. The system will take a moment to generate your site. This is normal. Once it's ready, you'll see a polished draft with your chosen pages, colors, and fonts. From there, you can swap images, edit copy, and fine-tune sections to match your voice. That's it. Your author website foundation is live and ready for customization.